Alright, this is Gato 21 Slow Mo. I'm just chilling here tonight. Went over some things about the jackets, working on some other stuff here in the prints. Uh, got a couple of things in the works. We're going to be doing some, just some videos showing some artwork, preparing of artwork, stuff like that. Basically the hand-drawn stuff because that's what I really excel at. So that's one of our major things here at Slow Mo. Okay, and being Gato 21. Also, if you go on to Instagram, you got Gato Style 021 at Instagram. That's my other. That shows actually doing the artwork and some of the artwork I've done on the side outside of Slow Mo. And what we try to do is, just like I've always tried to do, is I try to bring in artists to like work on stuff that we've started, or just something that, we're going to prepare with someone else, something we're going to work together with, So that's a big thing here at Slow Mo. It's, Slow Mo isn't just one. It's one plus, So it's just like, 5 is a whatever, 2 is a crew. Slow Mo is like, get out there. You got to do it. You got to live life. Remember the past. Live in the present. Reimagine your future. Step out of your comfort zone and make life happen for yourself. That's what Slow Mo is about, Slow Mo is just about the living part. It came about from graffiti, cars, music. The name Slow Mo came out about, I was chilling at a club. I got to Okinawa, Japan. I was with 9th Marines headquarters, recon company. Couple of cats that were in the unit said, you gotta come check it out. You like reggae? There was a club off of base that I had to check out. So I was like, all right, let's do it, I was down. And Club Exodus, or the Club Exodus crew, the crew I joined when I got there, was, they were in full swing, It was really chill. We had some good nights. We used to chill at one of the crew members' houses or apartments the next, during the day. We barbecue, draw, shoot the shit, just be people, And that's what life was like. That's what Slow Mo is like. That's what Slow Mo is about. It's about a family key. It's family, friends who are like family. That's what Slow Mo is about. It's about a feeling. It's about, a goal, something you want to do. And people, your fellas got your back, or your ladies got your back. That's what Slow Mo is. Get out there. Chase your dream. You're never too old. You're never too young. If you got a dream, go for it. If you never try, it'll never happen. If you never ask the question, it'll always be no. And what I mean by that is, if you never ask the question, the answer is always no. If you ask the question, there's a good chance it might be a yes or a maybe. But you got to ask. You got to step out of your comfort zone where you feel nice and toasty in that little rut. Get the hell out of that rut. Step out. Step into the sunshine. Step into the windstorm. Step into the sandstorm. Whatever it may be. Whatever it is you're stepping into, make sure it's something you feel a passion for. Because that passion will pay for you later on in life. That passion is what you spread around your friends, your family, your neighborhood, your crew. So, show some love, give some love. That's what Slow Mo is all about. Now get out there and chase those dreams, yo. Peace. Gato 21 here. Stop at the store, slowmo.bigcartel.com. SLOMO.bigcartel.com. Buy a t-shirt, show some love. There'll be some newer t-shirts showing up in here. We're learning new things in the printing side of the thing. We were paying people to print shirts for us here before. Now we'll learn how to do them in-house. It's going to be a minute before we come up with any of these new ones, but we will post some of the water-based ones once we can figure, once it's like we're going to be printing here, so it's going to be trial and error. I don't want to send out errors. So just so you know, we got a lot of different designs coming out. Hopefully look forward to seeing everybody there. Come join the movement, SLO MO. It's not just a name, it's a way of life. Peace.